my gosh, I'm so glad they have this so I can show you guys. Yeah, let me get these out. Oh my goodness. Wally World, here we go. Hey guys, today we're headed to Walmart and I'm gonna show you a dozen of the best and most affordable cleaning products. And you know how I roll. I'm showing you how I use them too. Because otherwise, what's the point? Hashtag facts. So buckle up and get prepared to be a Walmart cleaning pro. Spick and Span from Walmart is 97 cents. It's $1 at Dollar Tree. So cheaper than the dollar store and my favorite disinfectant. Take that, flu season. My favorite stain remover bars are just 98 cents. Fells Naphtha soap bars, you rub it on a stain and toss into your wash. They also sell Out White Bright, the best way to brighten your whites, at half the price of other stores. And the shirt I'm whitening here, I actually wore to Walmart. Convenient, but not planned. WEIMAN products are some of my favorite. Nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way, but you'll see me use them on my channel all the time. They are the best for getting your stainless steel looking awesome. And the Extend Duster that you keep asking me about, wait for it to go on rollback at Walmart and you can get it for about 10 bucks. You are gonna love the Faultless Cleaner. It's just a couple of bucks and it's perfect for cleaning rusted irons and curling irons if you have good quality ones. Literally 5-star, $2. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All you have to do is add a little on to a dark cloth, and while the iron is hot, rub in a circular motion. Oh man, if you are enjoying this video, you leave it a thumbs up. I love this product for $2. Moving on, we're gonna talk about some favorite items for your clothes and laundry. I love this stuff. These at-home dry cleaner kits, they're awesome. This works out to about $1.50 per use, which is very economical, and it even comes with a stain remover wipe. Just throw in your dryer for 20 minutes on medium heat. It's all clean. Looks good. You guys having fun yet? There's even more. If you have a musty closet, maybe a closet in an RV that doesn't smell great, I have the secret on lockdown. It's right here. These moisture absorber and odor eliminators. This stuff is awesome. Also 5-star rated. Y'all, this is the weirdest, greatest product. You hang this right in your closet and all the moisture collects and you'll actually see it form in the bottom of the bag. It's kind of magical. Does it ever feel overwhelming trying to choose a vacuum? Here's the bottom line. Canister vacuums are best for comprehensive cleaning, especially wall-to-wall carpet, and Dyson and Bissell have the highest ratings and I think are the best quality. For quick cleans, I love charging cordless vacuums, and these are great on hardwood floors. And again, Dyson and Bissell are always my picks. This product is so good and Walmart is for sure the best place to buy it. The Pet Stain Remover Vacuum. This cleans up anything from pet stains to kid stuff. It's just like the commercial grade ones you can rent, but you use it at home. I use this in high traffic areas in our home or any stains that are on the carpet, some that are even set in. And what I love about it is it's a lot cheaper than a Spot Bot and you don't have to get on your hands and knees to scrub. All you have to do is fill the well with water and a little solution, pull down on the trigger and go over the stain a couple times. Then release the trigger to suck up all the excess water. And full transparency, I think I prefer the Bissell over the Hoover, but they both work really well. I always love seeing the satisfying stuff that came out of the rug too. A definite win. One of my favorite parts of cleaning is boosting your home with beautiful scents. And Walmart has a ton of high-end scent products that you can get on a budget. You gotta look high, gotta look low too. I'm on the bottom shelf. Check these sprays out. Sprays like this in other stores retail for $7 to $8, and these are just $3.88 a piece. Give the bottle a little shake, it's blended with essential oils, and spray it into your room. I mean, the truth is you never know when your house is gonna smell like fish and you've got guests coming over. It smells so good and everybody always gives a compliment about it because it's so unique and different. And for the bedrooms, I love sandalwood and vanilla, and the price is awesome. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but Walmart sells high-end candles, and my favorite are wood wick candles, especially the long boat style kind. They crackle so beautifully.
Is that fire?
It is fire. What do you think?
Why is it popping?
Poppin' on point. Now, I never pay more than $13 for these, so watch your price point, but they make great gift ideas and have great throw.
This is a great spot to look at diffusers. They have all types.
Mist diffusers are really in right now, but I'm preferring these rope diffusers. They work great in small spaces. Add a bit of essential oil blend to the bottom of the canister. The rope will absorb it, and set this anywhere in your home for a beautiful smell as you walk by. And they look beautiful too. Leave me a comment down below. What did you learn today? Your presence here is so appreciated, and I am ever grateful for you. Thanks for being here, guys. I love you so much, and I'll catch you next time.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Get that merch doo 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 doo. Who is that?
Baby shark.
Are you just eating all the marshmallows out of it? Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. He's a true fan.
Yes.